A signal protein attaches to the G protein-coupled receptor so it can bind to the inactive G protein, causing a GTP to displace the GDP. This activates the G protein. Then the G protein binds to the enzyme to activate it. The enzyme triggers a signal transduction pathway. ATP is used to create CAMP, which activates a phosphorylation cascade. The phosphate released from CAMP attaches to the protein kinase. More phosphates are released until it attaches to the ion-gated channel, allowing calcium ions to leave the ER. This is the tyrosine kinase receptor system. A signal protein binds to the receptor tyrosine kinase protein to create a dimer, which then creates an activated tyrosine kinase region. Then phosphates are released, so the 6 ATPs turn into 6 ADPs. The relay proteins bind to the phosphates of the dimer. This then triggers a signal where phosphates are released and attached to the protein kinase to make it active. More phosphates are released until it reaches the ion-gated channel, allowing calcium ions to be released from the ER. This is the normal G protein receptor system without cholera. The signal molecule attaches to a G protein receptor, which then activates the G protein by converting GDP to GTP. Then the G protein binds to an adenylyl cyclase to convert ATP to CAMP. Then CAMP stimulates the protein kinase to create a signal response of letting out sodium and chloride ions. In a normal cycle, the G protein has a built-in timer that regulates this activity. This is the abnormal G protein receptor system. The blue bacteria called Vibrio cholera secretes the green toxin called chlorogen. This chlorogen then attaches to the orange GM1 ganglioside. The chlorogen then releases the green catalytic A chain and enters the cell. The catalytic A chain bonds to the green G protein, which traps the G protein in a continuously active state with an inability to turn itself off. This in turn causes the blue adenylyl cyclase to continuously create more CAMP, which causes a nonstop flow of Na and Cl, where the salt is moving out of the cell and into the small intestine along with water. This causes patients with cholera to have watery diarrhea and severe dehydration. Other symptoms include vomiting, low blood pressure, and rapid heart rate. A common treatment is fluid and electrolyte replacement. Cholera is caused by the consumption of water and food contaminated with Vibrio cholera.